Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Spirit Airlines plane tickets online in 2023. So, Spirit Airlines is a popular low-cost carrier known for its affordable fares and extensive network of destination. So in this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of booking your Spirit Airlines plane tickets conveniently and securely. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and visit the Spirit Airlines website. To do so, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type spirit.com and hit the enter button because this will take you right away to the home screen or main screen of Spirit Airline website. From here, if you have an account, make sure to simply go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create an account because this will prevent you from doing the step of filling your personal informations on your future flights and even in this flight. And if you don't know much about this website, you can scroll down, or sorry, this line, you can scroll down, read more information about this, because a lot of people will not just want to get a plane tickets on a plane that they know nothing about, because a lot of people looking for the cheapest flights with the best performance or comfortability. So go and even see the reviews of people or discover whatever you want about it. So the features that comes with it and a lot of other stuff that you can choose from here. And of course, from here, you'll be able to choose if you want flights, bundle and save, hotels, car, or cruise, depending on whatever suits you. So for me, I'm just going to choose here flights. And as you can see, do you want it to be a round trip, one way, or multi-city? So round trip means you're going and coming back. One way, you're just going, you're not coming back. And multi-city, of course, you're going like to catch it from a city, going to another city, getting plane tickets from that city to another city, then to another city, and etc. So for me, I'm just going to have it a round trip, and I'm going as example I don't know, I'm just going with Atlanta, and of course we are going to Austin. Why not? So you can add a hotel or a car, depending on whatever suits you, if you want to. And if you have any promo code, you can simply go and add it there. You can even show the fare points if you already logged in into your account and you have some, because this will reduce the plane tickets price. And for me, from here, I'll be able to choose like the depart and return dates. So I'm just going to choose the last day of this month and the last day of the next month as the departs and return dates. From here, uh, as you can see, you will find the flights possible on those dates. So as you can see here, you can find even other days with better prices. So as an example here, we have this day. As an example, you can change the day just one day before. And as you can see, you'll even find a better price. So we have the standard price and even the saver club price. So as an example, I'm just doing this flight and with the saver price. For the arrival here, I'm just going with another day's example because it's going to be much cheaper. I'm going with the Saver Club price. Of course, what does that mean? So as you can see, this pricing is exclusive for Saver Club membership. You can join now for discounted fares, back and options for you, and up to 8 guests. You can join simply for $70. And sorry, okay, I made a mistake. I'll have to go and fill those again. And from this to this, search flights. And I guess we choose this, and I was like reading something. Yeah, from here. So as you can see, charges are non-refundable and renew automatically each year. So you'll have to pay $70 per year. If you're traveling a lot, this is going to be very helpful for you. And as you can see, you'll have a lot of discounts and etc. So as example, I'm just going with this, and of course, with the standards, as you can see, this will be your pricing, and with the savers club, this will be your pricing. So for me, I'm just going with the standard pricing. I don't want to pay any $70 at the moment. And let's just see. So here, what you will have to do is fill your personal information. As I said before, if you already sign in into your account, or if you don't have an account, if you already like created an account for yourself, this will be already filled for you. You don't have to do anything here. And you can, as you can see from here, join the free spirits and earn points and gets rewarded. As I said, this point will be used to get you like lower prices on your plane tickets. So here I'm just going to type like random stuff to just proceed to the next. So 0202, and here I don't know why I cannot type like the year, but anyway, so here the first name just going to like this, let's as it is at gmail.com, and of course I'll have to confirm the email. So okay, it's invalid, so I don't know, I'm just going with test at gmail.com. Same should be here, so test at gmail.com, and of course just try to fill this again. So yeah, it's working now. The phone number, I'm just going to type like something randomly, and here I'm just going to click on continue. So email and confirm, email must like be the same. I guess it's the same. So it seems like the same. Oh yeah, I'm missing like a C here. So continue. Okay, continue now. I can. So of course, after that, I'll have to simply choose the bundle that I want to. So as you can see, I can like get more money if I want to carry more bags and etc. So this is just for you, boosts and buckets. So from here, you'll be able, this plan you will need, or you'll be able to get just one personal item. This plan will get you like all this stuff, one personal item, pick your own seats, shortcuts boarding, one checked bag, and one carry-on bag. For this one, you can choose like those options. You can choose just one, but you can choose all of this. So for me, I'm just going to select this. Here, as you can see, you can have some add-ons on your bags if you want to. If you don't, you can simply continue with the standards. I don't need bags. And here you can select like your seats, but you will need to get more money. So I'm just going like with, I don't know. I'm just going to look for senders here. If there's any senders, empty. So it seems like no senders are empty. So let's just go with the $3. I don't know. And next flight. Or you can even not select anything and go to the next flight. And here we are. So here we'll have to choose any cars or hotels if you want to. Click on continue. Here we can add some options as you can see. So Wi-Fi, make it refundable, and a lot of other stuff. Then go to payments and we'll be good to go. So review everything before making your payments. So I'm just going to click on continue here, and you'll have to confirm your everything at the end. And you can even do the check-in online if you want to, or in person at the airport if you want to, and it's gonna be good to go. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.